Hey guys, if you're in the market for the Insta360's new Luna Ultra, I have found the best possible deal, and you'll never guess where I found it. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, so I decided to purchase the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and what I did, I wound up purchasing mine for the basic bundle on Amazon for $769 and some change. And then I went to their website and saw the same thing, 769 and some change for the basic bundle. What comes in that, it's not a whole lot, but it's enough to get the job done. Well, I ran over, I came over, so to speak, a video on YouTube. And that video talked about purchasing this camera somewhere else, somewhere that we all shop. And that place just so happens to be Costco. Now, here's the kicker. At Costco, it's still $769, but with that $769, you get all sorts of accessories. You get the accessories. You get the carrying bag. You get one of the older microphones that they had, not the Mic Pro. And there's something else in there. I can't remember what, but the black mist filter. And all of that comes bundled with the basic Luna at Costco for the same price as the basic bundle on Amazon or at the Insta360 website. But I want to open it up and I want to show you everything that came out. So let's do it. Got that. Who cares? Anyway, here's what we got. Here's the package right out of the box. It says Insta360, think bold. And here on the side, let me get this up a little bit. It's actually saying tear. So, well, first you gotta get the plastic off, of course. Let me pull the plastic off. Now I'm gonna open it up right there. And as we go in, what do we have? Boom. The first thing we have is a carrying bag. Carrying bag. If you go on their website, this is like $39, $40. I'm gonna set that right there. The next thing they have is the Mic Air. The Mic Air. And with that Mic Air, that's gonna cost you about $60 to $70 itself. That right there is like $100 worth of material. I mean, of supplies. And then we have something here, which is the black mist filter. Black mist filter. Okay, that in itself is another $39. So that's like $80 plus $60, give or take. That's about $140 worth of stuff. And then, of course, I'm gonna take his bag, throw it to the side, gotta clean all my stuff off. Boom. Here is the Luna Insta360 itself. All right. So I have this. And when I first, let me open this thing up a little bit here. Hopefully I don't cut anything. But when I purchased it, the only thing that came in the mail was this right here. And again, this right here was sold to me for $769 when I purchased it last week. What I wound up doing, once I saw that deal, I packed it back up and sent it back to Amazon, and I purchased this one from Costco for the exact same price. And it only took about 2 to 3 days for me to get it. So let's open it up. Opening it up, of course, we have the Insta360 Luna, and we have the hard carrying case. Go under that. And right here, we have the, I don't know what it's called, but it's the part with the feet on it, with the small tripod on it, if you will. Has tripod legs, things that look like they'll break if you sneeze at it. But this right here, it goes in the bottom. Goes in the bottom right there. Boom. And it lets it stand up like that. So. And then in here, we have, I guess you would call this a lanyard. See? And then charging cable. And then this is to block the wind. I guess you would put it over this microphone here. So, and of course you have the quick start guide and instructions. But overall, guys, this is a much better deal. And as you know, Costco gets those special bundles. And this is one that I am so happy that I ran over on YouTube and saw. But I got the exact same thing, all of this, which I paid $769 for initially by itself. And then I sent that back to Amazon and bought it at Costco and got these 3 additional accessories. And these come to well over $140 to $150 if you go and buy them after you get that basic package. Again, you get the black mist filter. You get the mic air, which will connect to it via Bluetooth. And then you get that good old carrying bag. So if you plan on purchasing this, guys, I would definitely encourage you to go to Costco and purchase it versus Amazon or the Insta360 website. You're going to get a way better value here. And guess what? If you don't go get it on Amazon, at Costco, something's wrong with you. You just like to waste money. So, and if you actually don't have a membership at Costco, get a family member who has a membership at Costco to purchase it for you. Just pay them before they order it. So with that being said, guys, I want to thank you for spending this time with me. And I look forward to making videos with my new camera. So that's all. If you have any comments, drop them below. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you later. Be out.